Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn 10 useful English words that will help you in your everyday conversations. Let's get started. Word 1, happy definition, feeling good or joyful, example, I am happy because I learned a new English word today. Word 2, friend definition, someone you like and enjoy spending time with, example, my best friend and I go to the park together. Word 3, help definition, used when you need assistance, example, can you help me with this task? Word 4, goodbye definition, a word used to say farewell, example, goodbye. See you tomorrow. Word 5, house definition, a building for human habitation, example, my house is near the park. Word 6, chair definition, a piece of furniture for sitting, typically with 4 legs and a backrest, example, please sit in the chair. Word 7, dog definition, a domesticated carnivorous mammal often kept as a pet, example, my dog loves to play outside. Word 8, food definition, any nutritious substance that people or animals eat to live and grow, example, pizza is my favorite food. Word 9, book definition, a set of written or printed pages bound together, example, I'm reading a really interesting book. Word 10, car definition, a road vehicle with an engine, 4 wheels, and seats for a few passengers, example, my car is parked outside.